But in the meantime, Mami Bota joining her. Now, now, shiny combination. How to say yes, Mama Africa and Casadne scarf, bonity, say red, gold, green, and a star, no a beer chili boko. What means one cook? Cook the only one, a mouth feel okay. Coke the only mouth feel okay. The good thing about it, they say, Onum Coca, Sikabia de Beto Coke Bianum, ye a year 10% of it, na ye dia Cobwa, a year COVID-19 private sector fund, and not yet the Biko Tum send a baby to me, dear bois. I'm on my gun to me and fight a year COVID-19, or not yet to me, Edison couldn't tell you, Honanum Coco, no, no more a beboa ye pa. Malcolm Black Friday is on. Malcolm Black Friday is on. We say, dear Brunia, baby, I shop your keep a Malcolm. Now, enjoy unbeatable prices on their thousands of items. Any Malcolm shop my Ghana from now till 5th December. It might be terms and conditions apply. Malcolm, where Ghana shops. Yo, now by Kent Kadisi Woodin, Le Critère, and a Vodafone. Yeah, the feel it, bro.
Yep, mic check 1 2.
Yeah, check mic 1 2. I'm about Bibi Abokori.
Oh, Black Eye, Bibi Abokori.
Tell me the reason behind your combination today.
Black Eye, okay. All right, this week, you know, Mara Mafa Bomodung, the Minshada Monko around the me a peace walkers.
Okay.
But me pedamazamantary shum. Mazaka Ghana for there. No matter yen agent, no matter yen agent tre, Naza, or we need to my agent, you know, but to web man and another, you know, but to web man. So are ye MPP, so ye NDC, so ye CPP, say, or ye NDP, say, or ye LPG, APC, but I'm not about the say, or ye one non na urgent over to na webo woman in young cat there. Ye make them decision, or ye were Ghana, the way an outcome until ye make them decision, into you on Frabasa, ye, say you obi yajana, men conco two kutuku, men conco four binanua, mopo chopper papa, into more dresser no, Nasa charing there, one Ghana, say, what decision a day, what decision you don't know, or ye one Ghana.
That's right. That's right. Most definitely. Talk to me in the world of entertainment.
Now, the wiki may a story be about Sarkodie. Now, Aisha Mode or Kade Castro Wino, Sarkodie on Fesi Kebiara, also no Benebusiana Pa, na Sarkodie Fesi Kebiara on Common Nebusiafo.
Na Sarko don't know Castro.
Nanke in him there before Castro Bebuno. Na Sarkodie Castro, Ewanyum Adonai. Na Ebeke Pade and Yomono or hit 1 million views immediately now.
So you South Africa said they cram.
It's now also there. The time no Castro, or no Aisha Modi, Castro war London, and that's how their friend Lombro, South Africa, and Bucha. The movie Junuma or top play tickets. No cramp, no, dating our London now, be Afro South Africa. It spend so much for one video. I knew upon your wenum, but sneaking a Castro, yea. It's not on Aisha Modi, or Russia corner day, Casikebia, or Sade, or call Sikabia offered them royalties offered them, the music can offer Castro Nebusian for her. But according to our non also Benebusiana pass, Kebian could do.
Is it because the Stone Boy or Conversity Castro, I mean, I'm all Cadema?
Okay, only the moon to mention, but not a Rabano, some more Kenyan. But then, no, there's been an improvement on the story. Before so as an AC, in your Elodia, UK promoters, a Sarkodie, what confirm a day, Sarkodie is Kakesi. Oluntum ombozin zakoma Castro Nebusiafo. This year send one or can yenyim, but some flex I was on hajim there, what care part there, what did you see kebi? What is the music shata wale crowd cheers the miskini? I was a kama Castro Nebusiafo unti onozo ojiza part of the musicano was a now Okodru Hose. Scan what you did, Okodru baby or do. Yet Castro Nebusiafo. Yeah. Na you na Black I can put them your phone lines kakra ehun. Na story bia menyo bodo no menyim singing Prince Ned Nwoku. Papa no always papa or in Nigeria ni na Eraba small girl bi ehun. Afraba bekende ways 19 or 20. Nize Regina Daniels no ye Nigeria ni actress. Na papa wa wara kokra papa no ya kokro. Akokra be 60 ahina wa wala bofo kakra bot them.
Abofra ways ahe.
Abofo no was 19 or 18. Into now the controversy.
And the controversy, then when you most Ghana 100 and something years, man, what kind of papa no hour near that's
Na asama what the massive one pedamekany the papa no we make revelation me you papa. Also that before no she and 3 weeks paper no warrant.
Okay.
Inti na campaign ke you phone lines no. Na ye bisa there. So ebe she oba in 3 weeks na one na. Another papa no was sika no make them decision no. Because papa no onya na yere nkotenyi dam abofra ba no. Papa no other wife papa no auto papa no yere number the fourth. Or papa no fourth wife. Inti yere bisa there was sika na or make them decision na there. Was or possible but me show be in 3 weeks now one. Maybe bisa wana.
Of course. Why not? But me show be 3 weeks. No worry no. Because you they married love at first fight. Love at first sight. Them strategy ni be so now odo cry there why na what formula say odomu no 442 and 451 no obiane style no experience me don kwa fa so dey
papa no also the on jeans there on jean to there or say there issue obi ehun for so
okay yan pick calls kaka yan pick two more calls 0302 216561 0302 216562 do you think say 3 weeks udi share oba enough time say obetumi dia ware sa oba na 0302 216562 0302 216562 and let's bear in mind we are talking about a man awenyi so or your experienced person well obi on wenyi no experience is on a side enti otumi hunu bibi no hu say ade we dey say na kwakosi say na kwakosi but as a callers be ba so papa bills yeah, Shani and Picky calls Kaka 0302 216561 0302 216562. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Oh, Debbie, Nipa no end to me end now. So hello, good evening. Do you think that 3 weeks here enough so they be worry?
Nah, 3 weeks I think say it's because of his money.
Sabo mo.
Time peska for us because omoji marijuana boss do.
Now we is Kenya now you hear ni.
Me a honey ho avi.
Good one there. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Do you think that 3 weeks here enough say papa and be worry or lady no?
Me
I didn't try. Oh, quite unfortunate. Line on drop. Hello, good evening. Oh, and also line on drop it. MPK one more call in Kahona around the program here and go for a short commercial break. And 0302 216561 0302 216562. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Do you think that 3 weeks in there okay?
Okay, pa.
Chiremu mame.
Me madam fugi and then 7 years ni. O guy no 2 weeks na pe na guy ni e one day.
That's right. Thank you so very much. Papa, you pick last and our last one. Okay, yeah, last one. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
3 weeks.
Your friend Victor. Yeah, it's Charlie. Maybe the answer with God, all things are possible. Bye bye.
Punchline. With God, all things are possible. I'm going on also have a anyway.
Okay.
But why able to make the number of months or number of years there to be to say, oh, I was only in Panatinabe 1 year or 2 years. According to who? According to who?
Yes, societies, them the yenum no.
According to who? I was only in Panatinabe for how long?
Ni hunu suban ni pada za enye na nanto wenchari hu shade hunu suban. Ti hunu suban and they decide there as ye rekwami because I want one person.
Ideally, no, and one for how long?
Ono za muntu me.
Obi ana ni movement o. Obi ana ni movement.
3 weeks.
Obi betumi Obama be an Obabi atna as almost chimpna be 7 years. Omo worry at 3 years to me.
Black eye. I'm going to make sure there 3 weeks. Make sure be in 3 weeks. Na maja to me there.
It's too short a time.
At least me pede he mu ne kakra.
Yeah, around there.
Inti na nam kwame ampedu. Oye nyum tuni.
Yeah.
Papa no most don't know say any day was the sika to hana was the fame to hobby for fame because nizini here papa no ran can them because of yesikeni sika say onyi bi nti awa pe more of the stories no ekwa adom online na stories ni go ho e botum na akankan bia ma ho Mrs. Mame Boatema president for the Brothers and Sisters Association Masordo
see Vodafone money emu aye de Vodafone ko na wo send sika no e de akọ any other networks are free Vodafone sa dey we dey milestone pa ntina was all bra Vodafone so now we use Vodafone dey your phone calls we use Vodafone now dey your payment we use Vodafone now they send this sika they receive this sika Vodafone so kwa dey free from Vodafone to all the other networks who are Vodafone so simply dial *110 hash *110 hash now also enjoy sa akwanya Vodafone dem out free Vodafone say are you ready be them too so are ready now opa tade asha for any tre wooden branch bia le creator wo designs na fe ye pa open material bia to na odi apam your favorite style pa dia ko na koto free wooden branch bia we are okay wo designs na kama wo textiles no so quality o sha eche ye pa yemfa sedan fama ye waseda bia yemfa ma post ni na drone e friend no boost herbal mixture no any papa no ebo boost to immune system no e dia mouth for any license chem cash pharmacy BMO obenya boost herbal mixture papa pai bi ho na watumi atod open dodo to our phrase 0243 115 948 MTN pause and chill emu ayede ye pa mash it up on *567 hash and the MTN Pulse app in the MTN Pulse and Chill promo de or any point what the answer say obeto or favorite mashup bundle simply dial *567 hash on the MTN Pulse app de yepa keep mashing up to win large MTN Pulse just be we there for you everywhere you go remember say terms and conditions apply on this one well all too soon our time is up I was here pack bag and budget near paving way for a news team on the news papa and bro right about now medasipi say ultimate a show no Papa Bills thank you so very much my brother I love you so much and Prince Johnson Kofodu Aboga medasipi binia sanso na memfa seda emfama Jamestown J Co Charlie now the rasta they come you know say the rasta they come anyway me did the question up here with me a friend Black Eye this is the end of my story to God be the glory.